Hi guys, today you will be cooking and cleaning with me. Come on while we jump right in. Okay guys, so right here you see me cutting up this onion and putting it in my crock pot. So this recipe I am doing is the potato soup recipe. It's very easy, very simple. I usually get it when I'm at Red Lobster. But I decided to make it at home for the first time. And yeah, so this is what I'm doing. And I'm going to show you guys what it consists of. I'm also going to link the recipe down below. So right here, I decided to use the shredded potatoes because honestly, that's all I had. And I didn't want to make anything more harder than cutting up potatoes because usually you can use like the little diced potatoes, but I decided to use those ones. And once it's cooked down, you wouldn't even know the difference actually. Guys, you see right here, I am freaking struggling. Your girl definitely needs to go get an electric can opener because this is not gonna work. Now it is time to clean up. I am very big on cleaning up while cooking. It's just so much easier and so much better, and you get so much out of the way. So right here, we're going to go ahead and let that cook, and it's going to take about 6 hours, and then I'll add the cream cheese. So I do like to take my dogs outside throughout the day while I am getting the house together. So I decided to sit outside with them for a little bit to make sure they use the bathroom. Okay guys, please excuse this room. You see those pile of clothes over there. I am DIYing our dresser, so that's why they were in there, and I did wash the pillowcases, so I am folding the clothes and ready to put them away. Faces like this because I am a big NCIS watcher, so the episode was just freaking mind-blowing. so right here it has been 6 hours, so I'm going to go ahead and add the cream cheese to the crock pot. And yeah. You guys have no idea. This potato soup was freaking amazing. It was really cold today, so it was a great day to make it. Well, as you guys see here, I am adding some mixed cheese. You can do whatever kind of cheese. I didn't have sharp cheese, so I just did the Mexican cheese. I'm also going to add some sour cream, and you can add more bacon if you would like, but because I already put the bacon in, I decided to just not add any more bacon bits. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and subscribe to my channel. See you next video.